So I went to the thrift store and I found this overly sized shirt sweater that I want because I like the pattern of it and I like how long it is in the back and the front. I just don't like how the sleeves are too big and it doesn't fit right, so I'm going to size it down and make it fit me right. I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting the sleeves off right before the seam. I'm doing this to both of the sleeves. Then I've measured myself from my shoulder to my armpit and I'm making that measurement onto the shirt and gonna cut that out. Then I'm using that piece that I cut out and just flipping it over on the other side so that I can see exactly how much I cut off and I can get it correctly measured the first time. Then I'm just cutting it out with my scissors. Right where I cut out the new arm area, I'm cleaning it up and making it so it doesn't have that extra cut in it. So I'm taking my ruler and I'm just making it line up flat, and then I'm taking my scissors and cutting off that extra fabric. That area that I just cut below the arm is where I'm going to be sewing it straight, and I'm just using a normal straight stitch on this area. I'm doing both sides of the sweater too. At this point, this is what it looks like with it being sized down, and it's fitting me perfectly and it looks like what I want. This is what it should look like when it's flipped inside out. The extra fabric that I used to cut below the armpit is what I'm going to use as my measurement to size down the sleeve, and I'm just cutting off that extra material once I have it lined up. Because the sleeves are about 4 inches long, I'm actually going to size down about that much, maybe 3 inches, just to account for my seam allowance, and that's going to help me to be able to keep the cuff so it's nice and clean and I don't have to mess with it. Then I'm doing the exact same thing to the other sleeve. Then I'm using a straight stitch and I'm stitching up the rest of the edge of that sleeve. Then I'm pinning the sleeve into the sweater part and then I'm sewing it down. Once I finish putting the sleeves in, it's sized down perfectly to the size I want it, and it looks really nice, and it fits me the way it should. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful. Please leave a comment in the comments below and let me know what you guys think of this project and what you would like to see more of. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.